Hello everyone, Ngiyanuthisa and welcome to my channel. Yo, do you remember that podcaster Ria Khopane who was sued by radio and TV personality Bonang Matheba for claiming that Scoop Makhathini told him Bonang introduced the late rapper aka to drugs? Well, apparently he stopped podcasting and has been strutting his things on OnlyFans since last year to pay that 500,000 he owes Bonang after losing the civil case a few years ago.
You wanna bring it?
Told us that AKA is on coke and Bonang is the one that got him into cocaine. Scoop told us that, bro. It's known.
It's not factual.
It's known.
Nah, dude.
It's known.
But you know, Rhea, let me say
It's
this to you.
known.
Let me say this to you, ne? Let me say this to
Let's
you.
not- let's not run away from the
Let me say
truth.
this. Let me say this to you. Such accusations, especially with no.
What? Which accusation? Who am I accusing of what?
He's saying
Who am
AK's
I-
on drugs.
That's not what I'm saying.
He said he's on coke.
Scoop told us. Siyabonga Ngwekazi.
So, someone recently spilled the tea in Bonang's 2021 post saying, "Usedlala amaponapona, as in uthameka kalepona or he's playing naked," insinuating that he's now making coins through porn or adult content. Bonang responded saying, "Good, I will receive every cent." So another person responded to Bonang saying, "So utlile go tsaya tšhelete ya thobalano?" Asking if Bonang is going to accept money made from porn. Another person sided with Bonang saying, "The crazy thing is that he had a chance to apologize. He chose 15 minutes of fame instead." Another added, "The people that Ria was doing this for are now making fun of him. Now he has to do OnlyFans." And as for those calling out Bonang or asking her to forgive him, she responded, "Learn to mind your own business. Keeps you out of trouble and out of debt." In 2023, Bonang confirmed that Ria has been paying. She said he's paying in monthly installments. One day he'll need a car or house. I'll attach that too. Yo, that's such a hefty price to pay for clout or 15 minutes of fame. If only he had just apologized. Anyway, do let me know what you think about all of this. Are you on Bonang's side, or you think she should find it in her heart to cancel or forget the 500,000 debt? Please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.